Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the radios, swipe down for Control Center, and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once done, unlock the iPhone and make sure the other device is within a few meters so Discovery works reliably. Now, open Settings and go straight to General. This skips extra menus and gets you to sharing options quickly. You do this so the phone can advertise itself without both radios active. Discovery and file transfer will fail before they even begin. Next, enable AirDrop as your quick share method. In Settings, go to General, tap AirDrop, and pick Contacts Only or Everyone depending on who you trust. Alternatively, long press the network card in Control Center and tap AirDrop for a faster path. Choose Everyone briefly if the recipient isn't in your contacts, but remember to switch back for privacy. This step lets devices see each other and negotiate a secure point-to-point transfer. It's the handshake that makes quick sharing possible. Finally, open the photo, document, or URL you want to share, tap the share icon, and choose the recipient's device that appears. Wait for them to accept. Transfers are encrypted and will proceed automatically once accepted. If you don't see the other device, make sure AirDrop is set correctly and toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off and on. This refreshes Discovery. If transfers still fail, restart both devices. This clears temporary radio or Bluetooth glitches and usually fixes stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.